Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the hunting rifle in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw the top section of the gun first, right above the trigger. So we're going to draw one line. So this is going to be kind of a long rectangle. And then we're going to go up. And then from here, it's going to go up a little bit, the same distance. And then we're going to slant it in. And then we're just going to close this off. Okay, so it's basically a long rectangle with these two slants. And then up here, we're just going to come up. So from here, we're going to go out. This is going to be extending out to the barrel. And then we're going to come down. And this is a little bit tricky, so right around here, just meet up with that, and then we're gonna give, right here, we're gonna give this slant, and then we're gonna go all the way back, all the way to here. So I'm gonna start out here, I'm just gonna come and meet up with that. So now I can draw the handle and the trigger so we know where we are. So on this one right here, we're gonna slant down, this is gonna be the handle. Let's give it a little bit of hook, and then right around here, this area, let's come down again, so the back of the handle, and then we're going to connect that. All right, so then now from here, let's draw in the magazine. So we're going to go two straight lines and then slightly slanted, we're just going to connect that, and then we're going to draw one more section on the bottom. And just connect that. All right, so now we know where we are, right? It's a little bit tricky at the beginning. Okay, so now here, the trigger itself, draw a little bracket, and then just give it some thickness. And then let's draw in the trigger, so this one's easy. All right, and let's see, let's add in some details on the magazine. So just draw like one big strip in the middle. And we'll add in a little bit more detail. Okay, so now let's draw in, let's finish up the top here since we started here. So let's separate that out, and then right here, we'll draw another line. And in here, just give like two little brackets, and then close that off. And then we're gonna draw a circle in here. So this is the bolt area. And then we'll give a couple of lines here, just to finish that off. And there's gonna be a couple of screws there, so we'll just add that. And then let's add in, there's some stripes over here, so just kind of make it a little bit slanted. I'm gonna just divide that up. Okay, and then this is gonna be part of the barrel, so we're gonna extend this line out, same distance. Now we're gonna close it off. All right, so let's finish up the barrel of the gun then. So we're going to forward. So we're going to extend this line a little bit. Go out. Close it. Just give it one more section. There's going to be a couple of bolts in there. All right, so now we're going to draw in the bottom part first. So we're going to extend this line. Just kind of go up pretty far out, and then we're going to extend this line, just kind of slightly taper it up, just very slightly. And now we're going to come down, and then we're just going to close that off with a slant. Okay, so now for the barrel itself, we're going to continue this one. This line here, we're going to go out. Now we're going to come down, and we can flare this out a little bit, so just slightly. So it's a little bit cartoony. And then for the tip, just add in a little rectangle. And then there's gonna be a sight here, so we're gonna come up. Just give a slight curve. And then there's gonna be one more right here, just a little angular. All right, yeah, so this gun actually looks pretty cool. All right, so let's draw the stock. This one's easy. So on the back here, slant it down on this line here, Let's go out, and then we're gonna close it because there's a bunch of like straps on the stock. So now we're gonna come up and just go straight back. This one we're gonna slant down. Just kind of give it a little bit of curve, and we're gonna connect this. And then for the very end, we can come out a little bit, out, and there's gonna be slant, and then we're gonna slant it back in. It's a little bit more narrow on the bottom. And we're gonna add in a little bit of detail. And then now for the straps, or for the wrappings, we'll just add in some lines. And that is it for this hunting rifle in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.